guys! Good evening guys! Tuturuan ko yung baby ko guys. Tuturuan ko siya ng parts of the body. Then the color. Dali, tuturuan ko baby ko. Bi, tuturuan kita Bi. Akin na. What is that be? Red. Yellow. Ano ba yung tinuturuan ko? Ligalig naman. Dali, tuturuan. What is that? This is red. This is yellow. This is blue. This one is purple. This one is orange. Opo, nak. This one is white. The pink. The black. And the brown. Again. Let's start. Dali, nak, dali. Huwag mo kunin, nak. Ay, kinuha na, oh. Lukong bata.